AC/DC is one of the most well-known rock bands. Regardless of who listens to rock, almost everyone knows at least one of their songs. The band is such an odd but unique style like no other, which, is a necessity for any band. Some make fun of its odd sound, but others can't resist it. They have many, many classics that get people dancing with nostalgia. Aerosmith was formed in 1970 in Boston, Massachusetts. They have inspired many bands after them all the way to the present, which is a pretty great achievement. Some even refer to them as America's greatest rock and roll band. It is a pretty standard band if you are looking into rock, and I'm sure you guys would enjoy them. Guns N' Roses is a talented, well-received band with many achievements. Many of you may know Guns N' Roses from their well-liked song, Sweet Child of Mine. With a unique style of their own, this band might just keep you enthralled for an endless amount of time. Hopefully you can give this band a well-deserved listen. Coming in on number 4, I'm going to start listing more modern-day bands. Staind was and still is an extremely popular and beloved modern rock band. Although they're sadly no longer together, their current albums are good enough to keep you busy for a while. I know I have listened to my Staind playlists millions of times on repeat. What are you waiting for? My permission? Go listen to the band. Last, but certainly not least, 3 Days Grace was my introduction to rock when I was just a little kid. They are held dear to me as one of my favorite bands to this day. The band still makes music to this day and tours around the world. They have plenty of incredibly good music to browse around to find what you prefer the most. Keep in mind, this list is in no particular order and is only my opinion on what I think would be great introductions into rock. They certainly helped me get into genres like rock and metal, so I'm sure they can help you too.